everyone! This is Teacher Precious and today I'll be making a Mother's Day card for my mom. For the materials, we'll be using some paper or magazines, a ruler, glue, and scissors. Trace the top part of a paper and then measure 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Press hard so that you can fold them easily. Make sure to fold them properly to make crisp lines. Paste neatly, use only small dots of glue. Make sure it's completely dry. Remove excess paper so it won't get stuck when you try to move it. The bottom part should always be longer because this is the part where you'll pull. Refold again. Using another strip of paper, cover the base to make a loop. Then, you insert the bottom part inside the loop. If it gets stuck, cover it with tape to make the edges smooth. From there, you can customize your photo book. You can add photos, draw pictures, or write letters. There! Now you have your moving photo book. Another option is to put it into a card. You can customize it by adding designs and decorations. There! Happy Mother's Day! Now I'll show this to my mom. You can check my Facebook page to get updated with events and workshops. For more tutorials and free online art courses, visit teacherpreciousart.com. Thank you! Happy Mother's Day!